Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the...
Hi amazing people, I wish you're very happy, enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. On this channel, we always talk about French language. We teach you French language and we tell you if you learn French language, then you can have a lot of benefits, like you can study abroad free of cost, you can get the job abroad, you can get the nationality of all the French speaking countries. So there's so many benefits in abundance which are waiting for you. So you always have to learn French language, and also we teach you French language. So if you want to learn with us, then you can always contact us and we can help you. And also you can follow our Instagram page, and if you have any question, you can ask us via Instagram and our team will revert you as soon as possible. So now, without wasting further time, let's get started. So today I will teach you in how many ways French people, they say how are you, in how many ways, because if you don't know all the ways the French people use, then you will be having difficulty to understand what French speaker is saying to you. So this is very important for you if you learn French language, because French people say one thing in different ways, and if you know all the ways, then you can be perfect in French language. And that's the goal we have, to make sure that we can help you to understand, to speak like a native French speaker. So there are two ways to say how are you. One is formal way and second one is informal. So let me first talk about the formal way to say how are you. So this is the sentence I'm going to tell you, and you can see on the screen also, so that you can easily understand how we write. The pronunciation I will tell you. So how we say how are you in French language, the first way, in formal way. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? That means how are you? This is the first way. And French people can also ask you, vous allez comment? Vous allez comment? So you can understand the spelling is same, but the sentence formation is different. First was comment allez-vous. Second we have vous allez comment? Vous allez comment? And third way to ask is that comment vous allez? Comment vous allez? So you can understand French people say how are you in three ways in formal way. First is comment allez-vous, vous allez comment, comment vous allez. So I hope you understand. So please try to memorize so that you can always understand. And now let me talk about the informal way of asking how are you. So in how many ways French people ask this how are you. So first is in informal way, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? You can see on the screen, comment vas-tu? And then in second way, they can ask you, tu vas comment? Tu vas comment? So this is also you have to understand. Now let me tell you the third way of asking how are you. Tu vas comment? Tu vas comment? This is the also way to ask how are you. And the fourth way, vas-tu comment? Vas-tu comment? So you can understand, just to say how are you, French people use four ways in informal ways. So I think it's very clear now, and you can see everything in this on the screen also. Now let me tell you two other ways in informal way. One is comment ça va? Comment ça va? And second one is ça va? Ça va? Ça va? So you can see on the screen. So these are the informal ways of asking somebody how are you. And now let me tell you what should be your answer, no matter anybody can ask you, French person can ask you in any way, whether formal or informal. If you don't know anything, if you don't know the answer, you must know only one thing, that is je vais bien. That should be your answer. Je vais bien. There are a lot of ways to say, to answer how are you, but I want to make sure this video should be crisp and short so that you can understand. So one answer I can give you, je vais bien. That should be your answer. If I ask you comment allez-vous, you can say je vais bien. If I ask you comment vas-tu, you can say je vais bien. If I ask you comment ça va, je vais bien. So you can say this je vais bien, and that's how you can give the answer, and that's how you can understand different ways of asking how are you. When you go to France, Luxembourg, this is the way you will feel like, oh my god, the French people speak one thing in different ways. So if you know all the ways, then Boom, this is very easy for you, piece of cake. So I hope I have done my best to make sure I can help you with the proper explanation about how I use. So now you can use that, you can practice, and that's how you can make better your French language. And as always, we tell you that we are also very expert. So if you want to learn French with us, though, you can always contact us and our team will help you. And also you can follow our Instagram page. So always you can ask your question and our team will again revert you so that you can always get the answers. So we are here to help you. So watch our videos, subscribe our channel, and be in touch with us. So thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck, and please take care of yourself.